It's been a while. It's been a while. Oh snap! I misspelled it. I misspelled the Tradeify. I had to get this thing right. How do we get like clouds instead? Amazing. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are back from this thing. Let's see, we can get some people in here. I want to get some people in here on this chat. Just waiting it all out. So boring. Let's get some. James Bond, I know you hear. Speak to me. Where is everybody? Yo, what's up, Scooby? What's up, bro? We got a breaker block, bro. Hey man, it's been a fucking while, bro. You know? Yeah, get the money. You gotta get the money in. That's what we're gonna be doing. We gotta get the money in here. Bro, bro, why is it like only us, man? Only here on this channel. We need to get everybody out here, bro. Holy cow, bro. This channel been so quiet that we need to just get this thing started. Dude, it's been like so long since I streamed like this. It's crazy. I don't even know how to put this thing back together now. Oh, yeah, let's get this. Bro, how long has it been, bro, since I last traded like this? It's been crazy. What's up, guys? It's been a while. We're trying to get back on the streaming on this setup. Just trying to make money. That's what we're trying to do. We're just trying to make money.
Imagine if you wake up every day. So today
Bro, hey, Scooby, what level did you short it at ES? Did you short at it? No, I guess first TP just got hit. Oh no, he didn't. We got the low. We gotta get the alert in. We're about to break this thing right here. We about to get TP1. I got in too late. I could have got in here. It's all good. That's crazy. I think we're just gonna be sweeping the liquidity here, and it might be a loss. This might be a loss because we might be sweeping this, and then take it to the upside. That's what could happen on this trade. So if we don't sweep this low right here, if we just sweep this, we're probably gonna go to the upside. So I'm seeing it like this, and then break it down. Because my target is still this one right here. But we gotta take the trade at least. See, look at this form right here. Look at this candle right here. If we're not gonna disrespect this 5-minute fair value gap, we're probably gonna go to the upside. So expect it to go to the upside after this. You got 1910, 59, 1910. Yeah, this is definitely gonna. I might have to close this trade. I might have to do a break-even trade on this. This is the last ride right here. If we respected this, more likely we're going to go to the upside. So it has to go down quickly. If it doesn't go down quickly, it means it's going to go to the upside. So expect this to go up. Because we already sweep the liquidity here. I mean, there is a lot of liquidity here down below. This is the last candle. Or they're just accumulating. That's the thing about this this market. They want to accumulate. Watch they sweep it all the way to the upside. I'm suspecting it to the upside now. I'm not buy in on this. Let's do the stop right here. And then go to the upside right here. That's the target right here. The 1750. We already sweep this. So I'm gonna suspect it. I'm suspecting this is a tricky market, but I could see it go here, there, because it would have been like, if you look at the candlestick, this should have like dropped in like quickly. Let's see though. Let's see on the ES. ES itself is doing the same thing. This is on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, I'm buying on this breakout. We just gotta take the trade. If the first trade doesn't work, go to the opposite way. And that's what I'm about to do. Just go to the opposite way. Yeah, this is a short now. What time is it? 11. Oh man, this sucks. Whatever. Alright, so TP1 is gonna get hit. It's gonna get disrespected. If we push back up, this is gonna be crazy. All right, so candle structure wise, definitely it is very bearish on the thing. What is the daily look like? So yeah, this is buy, bro. I'm buying this. I'm buying this. Once we hit this pivot right here. Yeah, I'm buying this. I'm buying 2. We might go down a little bit more here. Dude, I'm just playing around. I'm not. I mean, it makes sense to just take it down now. Everything is already balanced on ES. But I feel like it's a trap. Like they're trapping people. Like they have to be trapping people. So a burst GP on the breaker block got hit. So that's where you should be taking your profit. And then if it hits the second TP and then the third TP, I mean, that'd be good. Oh man. If they push this candle up, that's gonna create more buying pressure. All right, so they push the candle up. They're gonna trap shorts. It has to be a trap shorts. And then later on, like in the lunch, that's when they're gonna take it to the upside. I mean, to the downside. All right, so I guess I can just break even on this trade now. Let's take a little bit of profit on it, $100. If the trade doesn't work, it doesn't work. I'll just re-enter. As long as we don't disrespect that candle. This wick right here on this 5-minute. Especially 11:30 is coming and then 1300. So we got like an hour. So an hour to, yeah, an hour at least. Take this high up. Take it to the upside right here. On the 1 hour. I think we can take it up to the upside. So it would definitely make sense to have it here. So we'll have a little bit of gap right here. All the imbalances here. But I don't know. I mean, I don't even know what could happen. It's a break-even trade now. Like I said, it's a free trade. This is guys. So this is a sharp. This is like this kind of setup is what I see. Like literally, this is a trap. This kind of setup. They manipulate it down, thinking that they're gonna push it down now. Now you got more traps, short sellers, and now we can take it to the upside. I mean, we already displayed so much point to the downside. We're already here on this 50% mark. So I was suspecting it. See, that's why you want to put your stop here. We'll see. Alright, so displacing it down. Waiting on the SMT. Candle structure. To be honest with you, there's a lot of like gap that needs to get filled here. Around like 800 and 793. So we could probably get in here. I mean, this is definitely good right here to get filled at 887. We already gapped this. So I don't really know what could happen. All I see is what I see, especially when it comes to trading this. Dude, just take it down already. I'm really waiting for them. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Let it close. You just get a candle to the upside. Come on. You don't need to wait for me. Just get a candle to the upside. Dude, it just doesn't want to go to the upside right now. Dude, if we break this is gonna be funny. Yeah, we already filled that gap right here. All right, so now we can get to the upside. We already did a SMT right here. We got a SMT divergence. So now we can take it to the upside. All right, so then we got a SMT on the 1 minute. Now we can take it to the upside. Take it to the upside. Musta bro, musta. Ito mabuti bro, mabuti ako Patrick. Take it to the upside, you know? Like you get this this whole thing about making money right here. All right, so we got $2,000 right now. That's up. We're currently up $2,000. All right, so we got a breaker block. So this is definitely where I have my stop at. That's gonna be my target. Target is gonna be 21,032. What's up, bro? What's up, Patrick? Kumusta, man? Kumusta, bro? So this whole thing is gonna be a breaker block. So this whole range right here, we're ranging. This is gonna be key level. So if we don't push the price down to the upside, more likely we're gonna drive it all the way to the downside. What I'm seeing right now, we just touched the pivot point on the 4-hour time frame. So we just touched this pivot right here. Usually there's a retracement. The candle's closed right here. It's at 80.85, and once, you know, we can drive it back down. But more likely, I think this is the suspected liquidity here. I mean, it's still looking bullish. So yeah, we got all this clean area. So do I suspect? I mean, yeah. Okay, so we got a breaker block set up on it. We got the alert on that. We just have to just follow the where the market is gonna go, and we're gonna be printing money. We're gonna be printing money. You can't be too biased, you know. If you want to short this, I would suspect to be shorting around this area. But this is a trap. We've been shorting the whole day. So the only way we can take this is to the upside now. All right, so first target just got hit. All right, I'm gonna take a profit of $835. I'm gonna continue to hold this. Like I said, you don't want to be shorting the bottom. So like I said, like this, and then suspect that to be like this, and then probably to the downside. I think that's what could happen. My target could be here at 21.32, but we don't know where the market wants to go. Bro, just take it to the upside, man. Why are you making me wait? I'm too busy. Too busy. Too busy with life. Where is everybody, dude? Where I'm trying to get people in here. All right, so the goal is to go to $1 million. I'm trying to run up the account to 1 million. All right, so volume is picking up now. So like I said, like in the afternoon is where they're gonna dump this. Dude, I'm super tired, man. to the side they wanted. If you're light rather than the apparel. Changes. All right, first TP got hit. I think we're gonna have a pullback. Better to take profit here. Just I'm not taking profit. All right, so who are those 4 people watching right now? 4 people watching right now. What's up, guys? Oh, I might start trimming now. Once we get that liquidity to the Believe in Christ my Son. I believe in the Holy Spirit. Jesus in one. Hey, you guys got any question? The 4 people watching right now, you guys got any question? I'm falling asleep, bro. I woke up at 3 a.m. Yeah, I woke up at 3 a.m., guys. Alright, so it hit our target, the third TP. Alright, now we spec it to the upside now. Like I said, we're going to go to that area. And then that's where you decide whether we are going to be going to the upside. I mean, to the downside. This trade is an A+ setup. You just have to wait. It's just waiting for the setup. So the reason why I took this position is because we literally got around like 11:20 to 11:30. That's usually like a U-turn kind of thing. But around like noon is where you expect because it's gonna slow down. But we got our target hit right here. I was just targeting that, and then this right here. This area is just gonna be extra where it would like to take it. So people are gonna be fighting this area. You probably a lot of like early shorts. That's why you expect a pullback now. All right, so we got an SMT. So this area right here, if we invalidate this SMT divergence right here, more likely we can go here. Suspecting it to pull back a little bit. Get to this breaker block. I might add in more. What's up, bro? What you been up to, man? Damn, you were playing. You was playing Skyrim.
Yeah, I was earlier on my PlayStation.
Oh, that's cool,
Playing
man.
lots of Skyrim lately, man.
Oh, that's cool, bro. I mean, I was just chilling right now, man.
Hey, what have you been using to execute your trade? Weeble?
No, you can. I don't know if you can connect Webull to your to TradingView. TradingView is actually good, man.
Yes,
I just usually just execute all my trades on TradingView, connect my broker there, and then
Weeble does, because I think I'm going to get back into Swing, and Weeble has a 15-minute delay. You have to subscribe. The delay
yeah,
is the
you have to subscribe to the data. That's like $35 a month.
that.
No, you have to, if you want to be ahead of the information.
Doesn't that just make the limit price update instantly?
Yeah, you get the information so quickly.
You have to say, oh, is that all brokers now? They have to make you subscribe?
Yeah, it's fees, man. If you want to be, if you're trying to get more information on faster stuff rather than getting that 5 second delay.
Damn, I was about to switch over to Robinhood, so Robinhood probably does that now too, huh?
No, I don't think so. Robinhood doesn't do that. They're
Oh,
they're they're pretty quick with their stuff,
alright.
and
Okay,
it's
what do
free. So if you're just trying to do it for free, but usually if you do like a lot of trades, they usually just waive it.
yeah, you people? Yeah,
No,
alright, yeah, okay. What did you make a play today though when you went live? Did you go, I saw some SPY broke the trend line of the uptrend.
no, I went to the upside, man. I just went. I lost 3,800 on the first account, and then usually the other three account that I have is made like just $1,000.
Dang, okay, well at least you got something, well at least you made something.
Yeah,
Huh.
it's been going good, man. I'm just trying to get to a payout.
Yeah, the Tradeify payout, I see
Yeah.
your funded account.
Yeah, just trying to get to a payout. That's it, man. I'm not trying to make more than what I expected. Cause like, with four accounts, you can make like $24,000 a month.
Yeah, I see you getting payouts. That's good, man. But yeah, hopefully we'll get uptrend the rest of the month. There's so
Hey,
much pessimism from
I mean that's what is expected, bro. Like literally, if you're just gonna take it to the upside, I don't even know what's gonna happen, bro. So that's why I'm just on the 1 minute time frame. So that's why I just follow whatever it is on the 1 minute time frame, and then I just look it up on the higher time frame.
yeah, Bitcoin is going through the roof, man, and the economy is strong. I feel like I don't know. Usually crypto and stock market is inversely related, but now they're both going up. So
Yeah,
maybe we
because
are in. I think we're gonna have a good bullish rise the rest of the year, but we'll see.
no, especially with Trump, how he secured all those deals on Saudi Arabia. I think that's one of the key points is he secured some funding,
Yeah.
to investors to invest in the U.S. economy. So that's like one of the
Yeah.
biggest one. But for me, man, I just use 1 minute, and whatever I see on the 1 minute, I just take it. If it doesn't make me profit, it doesn't make me profit at all. But at the end of the
What
day,
time? What time frame do you chart your trend on though? The 4 hour or the 2 hour?
dude, I just like I said, I just do 1 minute, bro.
1 minute trend? Damn.
Yeah, yeah, bro. I'm crazy, bro.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
No,
So,
but usually I just have like all those multiple candlesticks. So
yeah.
I have the 5 minute, the 15, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, and then the 15. The basic stuff like 1 hour and 4 hour. Cause I don't have time, man. I'm working and all of that stuff.
Yeah, are you at work right now?
No, I don't. I'm off today, so
Yeah, me too.
that's good, man.
Yeah.
Dude, everybody's buying right. They're selling right now. Look at they're about to get squeezed. Everybody's selling. I'm watching this other guy. He's selling right now.
You're
But
watching the other guy.
yeah, I'm watching some other guys. They're scalping it. But now I think they're gonna get squeezed. All the other people, they think this is like. That's why I don't fight. I don't even fight the trend or any of that stuff. I just try to like, just do whatever I can to get the money. You know, just get the crumbs instead of suspect.
The crumbs.
Yeah.
Well, it's Friday. Don't overtrade. It's Friday, so.
Oh no. I'm not over trading, bro. I'm done. I'm done making my profit. I already made my profit. And now I'm just seeing some other people in my stream if they're like just just chatting it up and all that stuff.
Yeah. Did you go to the gym this morning?
Yeah, I'm done with the gym right now.
Dang,
I maxed out, bro. Like maxed out 3 plates on the squat.
Dang. What time did you go? Super early again?
Like 4:30. I was gonna make dude. I was gonna make a video, bro, but I didn't. I didn't end up making videos, so I'm like, oh, where is my thing at?
Yeah, your tripod.
Yeah, no, yeah, yeah, especially that one, dude. I was trying to look for that and I couldn't even find it.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like there is looks like we're gonna be on a downtrend now, from the looks of it.
On what, SPY or ES?
All right, I'm gonna go short on this. I'm gonna go shorts. I might target this this low right here, and then we got some sell side. Let's see.
Did you figure out how to do stop loss?
Yeah, that's what I did. I already got the stop loss and stuff. It's just that I had.
Your, Fibonacci levels. You do any fib levels?
No, I don't do that, bro. I just follow the things that I see, man.
Your trend line and your indicators.
Yep.
ICT indicator.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. If I see it, I just take it, man, and then I'll just go from there, bro. Like literally, just take it. If it's not a profit, it's not a profit. You can always just take another trade later on.
Yeah, we'll see what happens on Monday. I think the sellers have a pretty big gap to close today. They might close the gap because you just said that they're selling now, so we'll see what happens into next week. I need to buy some fucking Bitcoin, bro. That shit is way too high right now, man.
How much is Bitcoin right now? I haven't even looked at Bitcoin. It's just that I've been too busy with work, man.
Yeah, I know. Bitcoin is all-time high, bro. It's fucking.
Holy cow! It's at 109 right now. That's crazy.
Yeah. SPY will probably hit all-time high by June or July. Need to buy, bro. Need to buy. I need to start buying, man.
No, as long as you have like income and stuff, bro. I think that's all that matters.
Yeah.
Whatever income you have, I mean, that's what matters the most. Is if you just have income.
Ray Dalio's been saying for years now that the changing world order, right? That there's going to be a big reset. You know, he's been saying that for years, but it's just, I don't know. It's like, when is it going to happen? You know, all this.
I think as long as people work together, I think it's not gonna happen. But people.
It's not going to happen, bro. Yeah, because the economy, inflation is pretty much gone. It's pretty much Is gas cheaper in San Francisco?
Yeah, just a little bit. How much is it over there right now?
$2.80, bro, for unleaded.
Oh no way! It's 280.
Yeah.
What about the eggs? I mean, because we had the chicken flu kind of thing.
Eggs is like eggs is cheap too, man. Inflation's it's done, bro. There is no inflation. We need to see some rate cut, man. I don't know what the Federal Reserve is doing.
Yeah.
It's over. 2% is here.
That's the thing, bro.
I'm just doing a quick DoorDash right now. I just had to get out the house. I'll just do one DoorDash, get out the house, and then I'll probably deposit into my Robinhood soon. So.
How much?
Friday, if nice weather here today.
How much did you make at the DoorDash?
On average, I'll put in 500 a week. I make about 400 or 500 a week. If I just do it every day after work, and if I go really hard on the weekend,
Yeah.
I'll pull about 4 or 5, and I just put it in my Robinhood. But I'm gonna get back into intraday here soon, because I think I'm getting better.
Dude, why don't you just buy a funded account
I never done that before, man. I don't know how that shit works.
and then just get a payout? Just use my code. It's like it's so cheap right now. It's only like what, $473.
What happens if you lose all their money?
Then you have to buy another one.
Dang, bro.
It's the thing is with you know prop firms and all that. You're on just a simulated accounts. It's not even live, bro.
It's simulated. Oh.
Yeah, it's like a
Simulated. But then you get a payout.
yep.
Huh. But if you lose, so if you buy, how much is it to buy to get a couple thousand from them?
So what you need to do is so you got a proper target, right? Usually if you have a proper target, your proper target for a 150 account is 150K account is $9,000. So you got 10 days of trading. So you're trading for the last 10 days, and if you make that $9,000 profit, you usually will get qualified for a payout, which is $3,000.
Dang. 3,000.
Yeah.
150,000 total capital. But you have to pay 9,000 to get the 150,000.
No. You don't pay 9,000, bro. You have to profit $9,000.
Oh.
So yeah. And then you qualify for the next 10 days. So you want to split that. You know, you risk like what, 200 to 300.
What is the name of your prop firm?
I already put it out on my YouTube, bro.
Oh, okay.
You just click on it and then just use my code ULT.
QLT?
Yeah. It's up to you, bro. I mean,
Yeah.
you're just playing the futures market. You can play the gold. You can play the oil.
Oil? Yeah, I will get back in when I'm sitting in front of a computer all day. I gotta go back to the office in June, so.
Yeah, I'm going to Washington. I'm going to Washington. I don't know when, but we'll see.
Washington State?
Yep.
Oh. Good deal, bro. You got any
Yeah.
plans for Memorial Day weekend?
No, I don't, bro. I don't.
Yeah. Me either. Just gonna try to take care of myself. Hit the gym. I got watch on Sunday.
Oh, you got watch? You still